Hello, myself Pooja Bhan. Today's date is 29 March 2022. Today's video topic JVM of Architecture. Every Java developer knows that bytecode will be executed by the JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. But many don't know the fact that JRA is the implementation of Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM, which analyzes the bytecode, interprets the code and executes it. It is very important as a developer that we know the architecture of the JVM, as it enables us to write code more efficiently. In this article, we will learn more deeply about the JVM architecture in Java and different components of the JVM. Then, what is JVM? A virtual machine is a software implementation of physical machine. Java was developed with the concept of VORA, that is write once, run anywhere, which runs on a VM. The compiler compiles the Java file into a Java.class file. Then that .class file is input into the JVM, which loads and executes the class file. Then, how does the JVM work? The JVM is divided into three main subsystems: class loader subsystem, runtime data area, and execution engine. Class loader subsystem, Java Dynamics class loading functionality is handled by the class loader subsystem. It loads, links and initializes the class file when it refers to a class for the first time at runtime, not a compile time. Loading. Classes will be loaded by the components, that is Bootstrap, class loader, extension, class loader and application class loader are the three class loaders that will be help in achieving it. Bootstrap class loader, responsible for loading classes from the Bootstrap class path, nothing but rt.jar. Highest priority will be given to this loader. The extension class loader, responsible for loading classes which are inside the loader. Application class loader, responsible for loading application level class path mentioned environment variable and etc. The above class loader will follow deletion hierarchy algorithm while loading the class file. Then linking, variable bytecode verifier will verify whether the generated bytecode is proper or not. If the verification false, we will get the verification error. Then prepare. For all static variable, memory will be allocated and assigned with default values. Resolve. All symbolic memory references are compared with the original references from method area. Initialization. This is the final phase of class loading. Here, all static variable will be assigned with the original values and the static block will be executed. Runtime data area. The runtime data area is divided into 5 major components. Method area. All the classes level data will be stored here, including static variable. There is only one method, area, per JVM, and it's a shared resources. Heap area, all the objects and their corresponding instance variable and arrays will be stored here. There is also one heap area per JVM. Since the methods and the heap area shares memory for multiple threads and the data stored is not thread safe. Stack area, for every thread, a separate runtime stack will be created. For every method call, the entry will be made in the stack memory, which is called stack frame. All local variables will be created in the stack memory, thread safe, since it is not a shared resources. The stack frame is divided into three substances. That's all about the topic. Thank you.